Okay, YouTube, we down here. Yeah, they unloading me right now, YouTube. Here to go. All right, appreciate it, bro. All right. Hey, you bring the paperwork out when they done, right? All right. Look at all these mini skid steers. Some on mini, some on big. Got this driver right here pulling out now. Got me in the dock right there. Yeah, man, I ain't never drove one of these. I would like to. I don't know, much about them. That's it right there. They just took that one off my trailer right there. I know they manufacture them out of, in another country or whatever. I guess they bring them here and send it to the assembly part. And I guess the storage as well. Yeah, we down here now, got the red light. They getting the job done. They doing the deal. You know what I mean? Look like it's getting ready to rain out here. Filling a couple dribbles. Yeah, like I say, we delivering a load of skid steers or whatnot. I think they come like four of them to a 40-foot container. Yep, but that's gonna do it for this video, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, we're down here in Moore, South Carolina, getting ready to head back home. Yeah, I think that's the last one. Look, they gave me the green light. Green time to go. Y'all have a good one. I'll catch y'all on the flip. Come on.